How to sign up for TradingView. So if you want to sign up for TradingView, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So once you have the internet connection and once you're here on the browser, you need to search for the TradingView. Once you've searched here, you will have www.tradingview.com. Go for the first search. In here, you need to go for Get Started, which is on the upper right. Once you go for the Get Started, here you will have Sign Up option. Click on the Sign Up, and from here you can continue with your Google, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Apple, or LinkedIn. So I'll be choosing email. And once you choose email, you need to enter your email address. Once you enter your email, you need to enter the password or create the password. So make sure to create a strong password. And once you've created, you need to go for I'm not a robot. So once you've created a strong password, click on create account. And that's it, your account has been created. So now you can simply go for sign in with Google, or you can sign in with your email. So to verify, you need to open up your email or your Gmail account. Once you open your Gmail, now here you will get the confirm your email address mail under your TradingView. Go for the mail and then go for activate account, and you need to enter the username and click on these options, these boxes, and then click on next. And that's it, you've been logged into your account. So that's how you can sign up to TradingView, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.